Are you worn out from seasonal allergies and hay fever? Imagine having a pesky fly buzzing around your head, constantly making you squirm, sneeze, and gasp for breath. That's what it feels like to be under the thumb of seasonal allergies and hay fever. From the moment you step out into the day, you're at the mercy of an invisible enemy. Your eyes water, your nose runs, and your throat itches. It's an exhausting dance that seems to have no end. Now picture a world where these symptoms are a thing of the past, where you're free to enjoy the beauty of every season without the constant annoyance. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the solution might be closer than you think. Deep in the world of natural remedies, there are two unassuming heroes, nettle and alfalfa herbs. These plants have been used for centuries to combat ailments and restore health. But what if I told you there's a natural solution that could provide significant relief? Enter the world of nettle and alfalfa herbs. These two humble plants have been quietly curating a reputation as potent healers, particularly for those who wrestle with the discomfort of seasonal allergies and hay fever. Nettle, also known as stinging nettle, is a verdant herb renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a nurturing friend who soothes your irritated sinuses, quells those pesky sneezes, and calms your itchy eyes. It's also a bit of a powerhouse when it comes to bolstering your immunity, making it an excellent ally to have by your side during allergy season. Alfalfa, on the other hand, is a sun-loving herb that's been savored for centuries for its myriad health benefits. This little green wonder is packed with essential vitamins and minerals which not only fortify your immune system, but also help to alleviate those troublesome allergy symptoms. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from those who've experienced the transformative power of these herbs firsthand. Meet Sarah, a lifelong hay fever sufferer who discovered the magic of nettle and alfalfa. After incorporating these herbs into her daily routine, she found her symptoms significantly reduced. She now enjoys springtime without the dread of an impending sneezing fit. Then there's Tom, who used to dread the arrival of pollen season. After turning to nettle and alfalfa, he noticed a remarkable change. The constant itchiness and irritation that once ruled his days had significantly diminished. He now steps outside with confidence rather than apprehension when nature is in full bloom. These stories are but a glimpse into the transformative potential of nettle and alfalfa herbs. They offer hope to those who've been caught in the endless cycle of seasonal allergies, promising relief that's not just temporary but sustainable. Intrigued? Let's delve into how you can harness this natural solution. Like Sarah and Tom, you too can reclaim the joy of springtime, the delight of a blooming garden, and the simple pleasure of a breath of fresh air. Stay tuned as we guide you on this journey to natural, lasting relief. It's not as complicated as you might think, so let's get right into it. Blending herbs is an art, a dance of flavors and aromas, each one contributing its unique qualities to the mix. Today, we're focusing on the healing duo of nettle and alfalfa. First off, you'll want to make sure you have equal parts of each herb. That's right, it's a 50-50 split. Nettle brings its potent anti-inflammatory properties to the table, while alfalfa, often referred to as the father of all foods, is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Once you've measured out your herbs, it's time to get blending. A food processor is your best friend here. Its high speed and sharp blades ensure a fine, even blend perfect for our purpose. Simply place your herbs into the processor, secure the lid, and let it whir into action. Now you might wonder, how long should I blend? Well, that's a great question. Aim for a consistency that's fine but not powdery. Too coarse and you won't fully unlock the healing properties of the herbs. Too fine and you risk losing some of the precious nutrients to the dust. Once you've achieved the perfect consistency, it's time to store your blend. An airtight container is a must to keep your herbs fresh and potent. Remember, light, heat, and moisture are the enemies of stored herbs, so find a cool, dark place to stash your herbal blend, away from the stove and out of direct sunlight. And there you have it. You've just made your very own nettle and alfalfa blend. It's a simple process, but the results are anything but. This blend holds the potential to soothe your seasonal allergies, bringing you relief and comfort. But we're not done yet. The real magic happens when we transform this blend into easy-to-take capsules. So hold on to your hats, because in the next scene, we're going to dive into the world of homemade herbal capsules. Now that you have your herbal blend, let's move on to the next step. Capsules are an easy and convenient way to consume these herbs. Did you know you can make your own capsules at home? Yes, indeed, it's simpler than you might think. You'll need empty capsules, which are readily available in health food stores or online, a capsule filling machine, and of course our herb blend. So here's how it's done. First, separate the capsules into their two halves. The longer part is the body and the shorter is the cap. Your capsule filling machine will have a place for each part. Arrange the bodies of the capsules in the machine and set the caps aside for now. Now it's time to fill these little bodies with our powerful herbal blend. Take a spoonful of the blend and spread it evenly across the capsules. Don't be shy about packing them full. Remember, each one is a dose of relief waiting to happen. Once they're filled, it's time to reunite them with their caps. This is where the magic happens. Place the caps back onto the bodies in the machine and press down. You'll hear a satisfying click as the two halves come together, sealing in the goodness of Nettle and Alfalfa. Now here's a tip. Always store your capsules in a cool, dry place. You want to keep them away from moisture, heat, and direct sunlight. A glass jar with a tight lid in your pantry is a perfect spot. And remember, they're best consumed within 6 months for maximum potency. Before we wrap up, let me tell you, there's something deeply satisfying about making your own capsules. It's not just about the cost savings, though that's a bonus. It's knowing you're taking control of your health, one tiny capsule at a time. It's the joy of knowing that you're doing something positive for your body using the gifts nature provides. And there you have it, your very own allergy relief capsules. Now it's time to experience the power of these herbs. This journey, like any worthwhile endeavor, requires patience and consistency. Begin by taking these capsules daily. You might not notice a change right away, but don't be discouraged. Our bodies need time to absorb and utilize the healing properties of Nettle and Alfalfa. Picture this. It's a beautiful spring day. You're walking through a blooming meadow. The sun is shining, and the only thing you feel is the warmth on your skin, not the usual tickle in your nose or the itch in your eyes. That's the potential relief these herbs can provide. And let's not forget, Nettle and Alfalfa are not just for allergies. They're packed with vitamins and minerals, so they're beneficial for your overall health too. Remember, the journey to relief is a marathon, not a sprint. So take it one day at a time and let the healing begin. Before we wrap up, remember to eat. The journey to relief from seasonal allergies and hay fever is just a click away. By subscribing to this channel, you're not just supporting us, but you're also taking the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on any of our videos on natural healing remedies and wellness tips. Also, we'd love to hear about your progress and experiences. Feel free to share your stories in the comments section. Every journey is unique, and your experiences could inspire someone else embarking on their own path to wellness. Lastly, sharing is caring. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Together we can make a difference, one video at a time. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and see the link below for more videos on natural healing. Your journey to relief starts here. Thank you for watching.